Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 4, Day 2. I'm going to say a word. Then I will say the sounds in the word. The word is flop. Listen. F, O, A, P. The first sound is F. The second sound is O. The next sound is A. The last sound is P. So they want us to have a marker for each sound, but what we're going to do is we're going to use our fingers. So we know in flop, there's F, O, A, P. 4 sounds in flop. Okay, 1 second while I turn. Okay, so, 1 second. Let's do some together. I'm going to say more words, and stretch the sounds with me. Place a marker for each sound you hear. On, a, 2 sounds. Lot, o, a, t. 3 sounds. Slot, s, o, a, t. 4 sounds. Lock, o, a, k. 3 sounds. Clock, k, o, a, k. 4 sounds. Lock, b, o, a, k. 4 sounds. Job, j, a, b. 3 sounds. Pot, p, a, t. 3 sounds. Now the one thing you'll notice, friends, is that when I do this in person, I have kids, if I say the word slot, they'll go sul. And sul is not a letter in the alphabet. S, o, those are letters in the alphabet. So when we have our blends, we have to break them apart to make the 2 sounds. Okay, today we are working on long, short O, as in on and dog. And the sound short O makes is ah, like the octopus. Okay, here we go. Blend. Hop. Word, hop. Can't blend yet. Blend. Pop. Word, pop. Blend. Box. Word, box. Blend. Oh, not yet. Now blend. Toss. Word, toss. Okay, here's some more. Let me go down here. Lot. What's the word? Lot. Lot. Mom. What's the word? Mom. Can't blend yet. Now blend. Pot. Word, pot. Rock. Word, rock. And you'll notice I'm keeping my voice on the entire time. Okay, I can't blend with this one. Now we'll blend. Dog. Word, dog. Okay. Next one. So this would be do, but we have another sound. So it's doll. Word, doll. Oh, dolls. More than one. Oh no, this is a new word. So it's just doll. And then sock. Sock. Oh, here's a blend. B-L, B-L, bull, bull, bull. Block. Word, block. Full. Flop. Word, flop. Okay, your turn. Flippity climb. Blend. Word, clock. We'll do this one together. Got. Word, got. Your turn. Blend. Hog. Okay, so really quickly, I did not realize you don't get a blend anymore. So I'm going to do these 4. I'm going to have you do them, and then I will say the sound. I will say the word after I give you 3 seconds. So look at this word. 3, 2, 1. Lot. This one. 3, 2, 1. Mom. This one. 3, 2, 1. Pot. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Rock. Now remember, friends, the goal is to eventually be able to do that in your head. If you can't do it in your head yet, that's all right. But eventually, we want to be able to make those sounds without saying the sounds in our mouth. Okay? So, let's read this word. Pot. Change the t to d. So pod. Change the d to p. Pa. Add an L after the first ol. So pull, it becomes please play, plop. Change the p to s, slop. Change the, so slop. Change the p to t, slot. Take off the s. Cover up the s, lot. Change the ul to g, got. Change the g to h, hot. Change the ah to a, hat. Change the t to k, hack. Change the h to s, sack. Change the a to ah, sock. Change the s to rock. Okay, friends. Okay, let's talk about this. Today we're going to work on alphabetical order. When we put the words in alphabetical order, we do this by looking at the first letter of each word. B comes before C, C comes before D. So if I have cat, box, and dog, I'm going to look at my first letter, and then I'm going to sing my alphabet song. A, B, oh, there's B, B's first. A, B, C, oh, there's C, D. Did you see how I did that using the song? Okay, here's our next one. We have at, cat, zip. Let's look. We have A, C, Z. The first thing I do is look at the first letter. Next, I'm going to sing my song. A, oh, we have an A. B, C, we have a C. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Ah, Z's very last. Okay, here we go. Let's look at a couple more. Okay, so we're going to look at H, F, and S. Now let's sing our song. A, B, C, D, E, F. Ooh, F came first. E, F, G, H. There's my H. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. There's my S. And we're done. Okay, so let's look at these. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 seconds, and you're going to read these. 3, 2, 1, top. 3, 2, 1, hog. 3, 2, 1, lot. 3, 2, 1, hop. 3, 2, 1, log. 3, 2, 1, hot. And you notice they all have my short O, which says ah, as in octopus. Okay, we already did the spelling, so we're going to say this 5 times. Fun, 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 fun. It is fun to play. So if I cover up this E, that would be Mac. But when I have the E tickles the A to say its own name. A, make. So this word is make. 5 times. Make, 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 make. I can make a doll. Here we go. They. They will win. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Remember, this is like also. This isn't like I want to go to the store. This is like I want to go to the store too, also. Do you like dots too? That's spelled wrong. That's okay. Here we go. This is our reader today. Let's read together. See the cat. These are words we'll see in this story. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Can. 3, 2, 1. In. 3, 2, 1. Go. 3, 2, 1. 2. 3, 2, 1. We. Okay. Now I'm going to let you go first, then I will go. See the cat. Your turn. My turn. I mean our turn. Cat can sit in a car. Okay, your turn. Together. A cat can go to a mat. Your turn. Together. A cat can sit in a cap. Here we go. Your turn. Together. A cat can sit in a cup. Last part, your turn. Together, we can pat a cat. Don't forget, exclamation means I'm excited. Okay, friends, this is our grammar. So what we're trying to help you learn is questions are sentences that ask something, while exclamation marks mean I'm telling you something strongly with lots of emotion. So let's look at the end mark here. This is a question. That means I don't know. So I'm going to ask you. So let's read this together. Did Sam kick a rock? In my class we go like this. We don't know. Okay, let's try that again. Did Sam kick a rock? Okay, let's look at this one. That's an exclamation mark. We're excited. The dog yaps a lot. See how I'm like excited about it? Let's do it together. The dog yaps a lot. Okay. Here's my question mark. This means we don't know. Here we go. What did Dawn plan? Again, what did Dawn plan? And once again, we have our exclamation mark. That means we're showing strong emotions. The kids ran up the hill. Hill. We're excited. Okay. Okay, so I can change a question into an exclamation by changing where did is. So listen to this. Did Sam kick a rock? That's a question. We don't know. Now listen to this one. Sam did kick a rock. You see the difference? We switched where Sam is and where did is. Did is a question. Did Sam kick a rock? If did is first, I'm asking. But if Sam is first, I'm excited. If I have an exclamation, and I'm telling you something. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, so let's read these. The dog yaps a lot. We're excited. Now we're going to change. Okay, now let's read the next one. What did Dawn plan? It's a question. And last of all, the kids ran up the hill. Now we're going to change these. The exclamation we're going to turn into a question. So the dog yaps a lot. We'd say, does the dog yap a lot? Does the dog yap a lot? We don't know. And then we could say here, Dawn did make a plan. And then if we did that, we'd have an exclamation mark. Dawn did make a plan. And then you could have here, did the kids run up the hill? It becomes a question. So once again, if we don't know it's a question, if we do know and we have a lot of emotion, we're excited or really sad, we use an exclamation mark. Okay, friends, I'll see you tomorrow.